But there is another thriving community here, for Rome is home to over 2,000 colonies of cats. This group lives among the ruins of Trajan's Forum in the centre of the city, where their behaviour is often more like lions than the average household cat. The Romans introduced cats here from Egypt to control pests. Their descendants still survive here today, and this film follows the lives of some of these remarkable cats. Livia is a 2-year-old female. She had her first kittens last year, but due to her inexperience, none survived. Will Livia be more successful this year? Her mother is 6-year-old Mina, who, despite her bad eye, is the queen of the colony. Mina has raised many kittens over the years. As with the pride of lions, related females form the backbone of these cat communities. This is the king, Caesar. At 6 years old, he's the toughest tomcat on the block, and is certainly the biggest. But every king has his pretender, and in Caesar's case, it's Brutus. Brutus may be only 2, but he's fast reaching his prime as a challenger to the throne of top cat. The ruins which are home to these cats are a prime territory and one which is jealously guarded by the dominant males. They spend a great deal of time patrolling the boundaries, leaving their highly aromatic signatures. Although Livia is young, she is an accomplished hunter. When it comes to killing, these cats are more like leopards than lions, always hunting alone and depending on stealth and patience. Though the ruins attract a good number of pigeons, lizards and the odd rodent, there's not enough natural prey here to support the cat community all year round. But the cats in Rome have enjoyed a very special relationship with some of the... It's January, and though the city is in the grip of winter's freeze, things are warming up down in the Forum. It's now that the female cats come into season, advertising their readiness to mate with provocative perfumes and flirtatious body language. Livia has attracted a whole army of potential suitors, but this is an affair which will be conducted on her terms. This first coupling is the essential catalyst, stimulating ovulation in Livia. It's also the start of an apparent acceptance of every male on the block. Like lions, once a female is ready to mate, she will often do so with more than one male. The kittens of any resulting litter may well have different fathers. There are cats all over Rome, and Brutus leaves the ruins for the city above. The streets have their hazards, but there are other female cats here, no less attractive than those within the colony. Back in the ruins, it's Mina's turn to give the males the run around. Unlike her young daughter, Mina has little interest in the low-ranking males. She's after the toughest toms to mate with. As a proven successful mother, she's also a much more attractive proposition to the 2 dominant males. Brutus has made his way back to the colony, and this time is prepared to challenge his old rival for Mina's attentions. Once again, they avoid physical violence with intricate posturing and a war of wailing. For the first time, it looks as though Caesar is intimidated. He may be reluctant to fight Brutus, but at least Caesar ensures the Black Tom won't court with Mina. The two big males have mutual respect for each other. And the final result is as fair as anyone could expect. If a little unorthodox. The mating continues over the next day or so, with both Caesar and Brutus getting the opportunity to combine forces with the queen of the colony. But who will be the father of her kittens? It's now Easter, and there's an air of calm in the city. Caesar and Brutus are, for the moment at least, at peace with their world. It's 2 months since the matings, and their liaisons with Mina have been successful. She's heavily pregnant. But her daughter Livia has been missing all morning. During the night, Livia has given birth to 3 healthy kittens. One looks suspiciously like Caesar, whilst the other 2 are black. But her choice of nursery is poor, barely hidden and exposed to the elements.